Okay. Mom, these leaves will turn into flowers.
No, they don't. These are the leaves of an avocado tree. These are like a turn into a flower, okay?
These are the leaves of an avocado tree.
Yes.
And they will turn into avocado.
Yeah. So, see, we planted this.
There's an avocado here.
Yeah, this is how we planted it.
Oh.
With avocado. And then it turned into a tree.
Oh.
Yes, they did. Right?
Right.
Okay, so that's how it started.
I did not.
And they are like, I don't know, 3 feet?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm taller than it.
Yes, you are. So 3 feet.
Because I'm 6 years old.
Okay, there you go. Tall is your stomach now. Oh my goodness.
It's to my.
Hey, don't do that. No, please. Hey, no more touching. No more touching. You're gonna kill that thing.
I'm trying to.
No more touching. No more touching.
Why are these together? Should we move one of them and put the other one somewhere else?
No, because they're the same thing, huh?
Oh, they're
They're growing from the same seed.
They're growing in the same.
Yeah, they're coming from the same seed.
They're coming from the same.
They're growing, coming out of the same seed.
That's the
See?
avocado.
Yeah,
Oh no.
that's the avocado seed right here.
Oh.
Yep. There you go.
Where do you place the seed? Inside of it?
That's where this thing, you put this in water, and then this will grow.
And the sprout will go.
And then this,
one.
and this tree here is gonna grow later
Avocado.
on a lot of avocados in here
Yeah.
when they grow up bigger.
I wish this one was as tall as me.
Oh, hey, no more touching.